We started this chapter 3 days ago. We learned what is trigonometry, the ratios of trigonometry, and we learned the identities of trigonometry. There are three identities. One is sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Second identity is secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1, and the third identity is cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. And regarding this we proved how these identities are equal to 1. Now in this video lesson we learn about the trigonometric ratios of complementary angles here. Now here we take a triangle ABC. This is triangle ABC where angle B is equal to 90 degrees. This is A and this is C, where this angle A is equal to theta. This is an acute angle. Now since angle B is equal to 90 degrees, therefore we can say that angle A plus angle C is also equal to 90 degrees. That is nothing but A and C, they are a pair of complementary angles. A and C, these are nothing but they are the pair of complementary angles. What is a complementary angle? The sum of the two angles must be equal to 90 degrees. Now, as we learned earlier, in a previous video lesson, I said let us we take this as a x and this as a y. This is the radius. We take it as a r here. Now we know that sine theta is equal to, that is opposite side by hypotenuse, that is y by r. Next cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse, that is x by r. And the next is tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side, that is y by x. So these are the ratios, three ratios we learned in our previous lesson. Sin theta is equal to, this is the opposite side, this is the adjacent side, and this will be the hypotenuse. So sin theta is what? Sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse, that is y by r. Cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse, that is x by r. Tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side, that is y by x. And the remaining three ratios, that is secant theta, cot theta and cosecant theta. Cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta. Secant theta is the reciprocal of cos theta, and cosec theta is the reciprocal of sin theta. So all these things we learned in our previous video lesson. Now we learn about 90 minus theta. Ratios of 90 minus theta. So if we observe in this triangle ABC, I said that angle A is equal to theta. Now angle C will become 90 minus theta. So this angle C is called what? Angle C. The measurement of angle C here, it is 90 minus theta. Now we take the ratios here. Let us we take sine 90 minus theta. Sine 90 minus theta means what is the sine ratio? The sine ratio is opposite side by hypotenuse. Now if you observe this figure carefully, the opposite side of 90 minus theta is equal to AB. And the hypotenuse is the same AC. So this is equal to, what is AB? Here we took x and this is r, x by r. Now we got a sine 90 minus theta is equal to x by r. Therefore if you observe this table carefully, x by r is nothing but x by r is equal to cos theta. Sin 90 minus theta, I mean, need not to get confused here. We are taking the same ratios, that is opposite side by hypotenuse only. But the one thing you have to remember is opposite side means what? Opposite side to 90 minus theta. So the opposite side to 90 minus theta is AB and the hypotenuse is same AC. Therefore here I wrote sin 90 minus theta is equal to AB by AC, that is x by r. This is x and this is r. Now if you see this table, x by r is equal to what? X by r is equal to cos theta. Therefore sin 90 minus theta is nothing but it is equal to cos theta. So you remember ratio of 90 minus theta, sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Similarly, if we see cos 90 minus theta, what is the ratio of cos? Adjacent side to 90 minus theta. This is 90 minus theta is here. The adjacent side will be y, that is nothing but BC. By next is what? The hypotenuse is AC, so we write AC here. So this is equal to y by r. Y by r. If you observe this, y by r is what? Y by r is equal to sin theta. Y by r is equal to what? It is equal to sin theta. Therefore cos 90 minus theta is nothing but it is equal to sin theta. Is it clear? Sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Similarly, now we say what is the tan 90 minus theta? Tan 90 minus theta. So what is the ratio of tan? The ratio of tan is nothing but the opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side of what? Opposite side of 90 minus theta, that is AB. And the adjacent side of 90 minus theta is y, that is here BC. So let us we take that is nothing but x by y. So here tan theta we got y by x and here we got x by y, that is nothing but y by x and x by y. This x by y is the reciprocal of y by x. Therefore what is the reciprocal of tan theta? The reciprocal of tan theta is equal to cot theta. So here tan 90 minus theta is equal to what? Tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. So again I am repeating for the benefit of the viewers. Now we are learning about the complementary angles in trigonometry. That is here when angle B is equal to 90 degrees, automatically angle A plus angle C will become 90 degrees. Therefore A and C, they are pair of complementary angles. Suppose if you take angle A is acute angle, that is a theta, then angle C will become 90 minus theta. So we are framing the ratios of this 90 minus theta. So first we took here sin 90 minus theta is equal to, what is the ratio of sin? The ratio of sin is opposite side by hypotenuse. The ratio of sin is what? It is the opposite side by hypotenuse, that is regarding to 90 minus theta, which is the opposite side. AB is the opposite side and AC is the hypotenuse. So we have to write AB by AC. AB is equal to x and AC is equal to r, that is x by r. Now if you see here, this x by r is nothing but x by r is equal to cos theta. So I am writing here sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Similarly, if we find for cos 90 minus theta, what is the ratio of cos? The ratio of cos is adjacent side by hypotenuse. The ratio of cos is adjacent side by hypotenuse. That is adjacent side of 90 minus theta. The 90 minus theta is here. The adjacent side of 90 minus theta is BC and the hypotenuse AC. So I wrote here BC by AC, that is nothing but Y by R. If you see this table, Y by R is nothing but sin theta. Therefore, we can assume that cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Similarly, if we can prove for tan 90 minus theta, the ratio of tan is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. What is the tan ratio? Opposite side by adjacent side. With respect to 90 minus theta, which is the opposite side is AB and the adjacent side is BC. So I took AB by BC, that is nothing but x by y. Here we got tan theta is equal to y by x, that is nothing but y by x and x by y, they are reciprocal to one another. We already in previous video lesson we learned that tan and cot they are reciprocal to each other. That is why tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. Is it clear all of you? Now, now we take a cot 90 minus theta. What is the cot? Cot is the reciprocal of tan, that is adjacent side by opposite side. Adjacent. Now we learn about cot 90 minus theta. What is the cot ratio? Cot ratio is nothing but adjacent side by opposite side. That is the adjacent side of 90 minus theta is BC. And the opposite side of 90 minus theta, that is AB. So here BC we took y and this is x, y by x. So if we see y by x is nothing but it is a tan theta. This is tan theta. So cot 90 minus theta is always equal to what? It is always equal to tan theta. Similarly, we take secant 90 minus theta. So secant, I already told you, secant is the reciprocal of cos, that is nothing but hypotenuse by adjacent side. Now secant 90 minus theta, that is AC by BC. Here AC is the hypotenuse. Now BC is the opposite side here. So here we got R by Y. R by Y means it is what? Here we got Y by R and here we got R by Y. Both are reciprocal to one another. I told you that in class sin theta is the reciprocal of cosec theta. So secant 90 minus theta, it is equal to cosec theta. Similarly, if we prove that cosecant 90 minus theta, that is equal to secant theta. So what we learned till now is sin 90 minus theta is a cos theta, cos 90 minus theta is a sin theta, tan 90 minus theta is a cot theta, cot 90 minus theta is tan theta. Similarly, secant 90 minus theta is equal to cosec theta and the cosec 90 minus theta is equal to secant theta. So all of you please remember you subscribe the channel so that you will get you can learn new things in our videos. Don't forget, you please subscribe it.